Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to send voice messages on Discord PC. So first, you need to choose right here an account that you want to send the voice message. For example, here. And as you can see, you can actually find any buttons to directly send a voice message, but you can do it by clicking on this plus icon. So you just double click this plus icon right here and you'll go to File Explorer, then select the voice message, and then click on Open. And then it will show you this voice message here. And then you can add some message. For example, I want to type voice message and then click Enter. And you just wait until it finish process this voice message. Now if she received this message, so let's play this one. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So that's it. That's how you basically send voice messages on Discord PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.